My name is Rhonda Hyatt. My husband and I are starting this business together. This building is actually a really long-standing part of the community. We really wanted to make sure that we were preserving history, bringing something together, and choosing really good quality siding. Jake, our sales rep, was really fantastic. I immediately asked my husband, I was like, is this your new best friend? It seemed like they really, hit it off. But I think Jake was really, really attentive. He listened a lot. He didn't come in and just try to sell. He was also just really friendly, easy to work with, very accessible, answered questions all the time. It felt like he was really invested and cared about how the project turned out. Anytime you do a project, you can always find a cheaper solution. You can always find a faster solution. You can always find something different. But it really does come down to the people and how much they care. They take quality, obviously, and the pride of their relationships, as well as the pride of the work. Just the experience overall was great. The whole thing was seamless. It was easy. It made it a no-brainer to choose you all. The staff and the installers were really good. I think they took special time to make sure everything was done right, up to quality, and they worked hard. I mean, they were out here working several hours just to make sure it was all done on our project timeline. And then when the actual siding really came in, it just looked even better than we could have hoped. It's those little things that people do to make all the difference in the world.